Healthy food.
Healthy
Healthy
food.
food.
But you have to
Healthy
also,
food.
but you have to also be careful that if you eat healthy food, you know you don't get much fat. But in the further sentence, it is written there that he is fat. So it means it would better
The junk food.
not junk food.
Sir,
Delicious,
junk food.
delicious would be the
ये
appropriate
एग्जैक्टली
adjective.
थोड़ी ना सर
Delicious. Do you know what
Yes,
is the
sir.
meaning of delicious?
Delicious.
He loved to eat. Let me tell you that we are discussing the exercise D of chapter 7. In the very first option, right
The
option or right
tasteful.
adjective would be good.
Tasty.
In the second option, delicious, swadisht. Okay, this would be the proper adjective for the second option. Every day his mother prepared. Uh, each mother tries to prepare tasty food for their children. So here in the third option, the right adjective would be
टेस्टी
tasty.
सर सेकंड में हेल्दी
Taste.
होगा ना सर
Delicious I have
सर
written here.
सेकंड में क्या होगा
You see on the board, delicious I have written here. Delicious. In the fourth option, meal for him because Abhay ate so much food, he was very. As a result of eating so much, what he had become, thin or fat?
Fat.
Fat. Where baby is
Fat.
crying in someone house, at someone house.
The fat.
Fat would be the
Fat.
right. Fat would be the right option in the fourth one. And the fifth one, unlike her brother, Sonam was very thin.
बैड
Her brother was fat, but she was thin. So in the fifth option, right adjective would be thin. Now let's talk about the sixth option. Uh, she had to work hard daily in field every day. So
द मैनी
many field is not in the plural
Sir,
form. So
many.
द मैनी
Sir,
फील्ड
many field
Sir, many field नहीं होगा.
because field is not
Sir,
in the
some
plural
होगा.
form. Yes. Anyone else? What could be the
सर
right option? Some field.
Sir, the green field.
Green
Sir, the
field.
green field.
Yes, green could be the right. Green could be right. Look, two option I'm writing. It could be either small field, big field, or green field. It is up to
सर
you.
ग्रीन
Whichever you want to use, you can use it. No,
Big.
all trio could be the right. तीनों सही हो सकता है. Okay. There is no hard and fast rule that no only this different adjective can be used for the different noun. So all three adjectives here written here, small, big, green, could be used. Even more adjective could be used. Similarly, students,
सर
now
पहले नंबर में क्या
yes, in the
तो पूछ
option
रहे पेज नंबर क्या है
seventh option, you are asking about page number. You just find out seventh chapter page number. You will automatically get
44.
44.
नो सर वो
44.
भैया खा के चेंजर गिर गई
What?
भैया खा के चेंजर गिर गई जनरेटर चालू करा
चालू कराओ, इधर भी पंखा नहीं चल रहा. जनरेटर इधर भी चलाओ, सप्लाई दो
Okay, sir.
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. Okay, now in the seventh option, you all tell what would be the right option in the seventh sentence.
द गुड एवरी गुड आफ्टरनून अब इससे चल रहा
No,
था
already we have you. Good afternoon. It is something we use for greetings. Good afternoon.
भैया चालू करना
भैया चालू हो जाएगी. Just be calm, quiet and steady.
ट्राई नहीं हो सकता है
Next, in a fine afternoon. Yes, sunny afternoon.
Sunny.
Afternoon generally it could be the sunny
Sunny.
afternoon. Yes, you can also write fine afternoon, sunny afternoon. Both could be the right, but I would suggest you can also use late afternoon. It was late in the afternoon, so it's a late afternoon. So both again, all all three adjective again, all three adjective can be used in the seventh option. Okay. I would suggest
Every
either
late
use
afternoon.
sunny or late. They are more appropriate.
सर कोई
सर
एक ही
लेट का
करना
यूज कर दिए हैं
Yes, only you need to write one, not all three.
Okay, sir.
सर
Because-
तो लेट यूज कर दिए हैं
Whatever you write, no, all are right. So it is not something that if you write this one, it would be wrong. It would not be wrong. Similarly, in the eighth sentence, one sat under the shade. So we need to use adjective describing the shade. Cool. Shade is generally
big.
cool. So cool shade could be the right option. Okay.
तो सर तीनों लिख दे, तीनों में से एक ना लिखेंगे 6 वाले में.
Yes, only one. Only one.
कूल शेड ऑफ
Cool shade. Yes. And in the ninth option, in the ninth option, under the tree, we need to describe the tree here. So either you can use
Green tree.
green
ट्री
big tree.
शेडी ट्री
No,
Shady,
tree,
yes, sir.
Tree, some trees
Shady
always-
tree.
So big or small tree you can use under the big tree or small tree. Or shady tree, one student is saying this is also not wrong. It could be the also right. Shady could be the also right option. Okay. Similarly, in the 10th option, Abhay said thinking of the party invitation. What could be the right adjective here?
Big party.
Big party,
बर्थडे पार्टी
birthday party invitation. Yes, big party could be also right option. Big birthday. So both could be the right. So please either one you can mention, big or birthday. On one option you can note down in your.
सर तो बर्थडे
तो birthday adjective नहीं है ना.
एक्टिव है.
Yes, birthday is adjective, birthday party. Sometimes noun could be also adjective. Let me explain. Some could be noun word also play the role of adjective. For example, suppose that cricket is the name of a game. All right. Cricket क्या है?
Yes, sir.
एक गेम का नाम है.
Thing, name of a thing.
Name of- but this could be also used as adjective. Cricket player. Cricket
Yes, sir.
player. Here the cricket
Player.
word
Player.
is describing the player, not any other player, particular player, that is the cricket player. So cricket here
Player.
has also been used as an adjective. Got it? Sometimes
Yes, sir.
sometimes noun could is you all know that na school has reopened, so it's prayer time in the school, so many of you must be getting the announcement there, so don't be disturbed. Are you able to hear the announcement?
Yes, sir.
What did you
Yes, sir.
what did you hear?
School is standing. Sir, वो attention.
is full
None of you
attention
got attention are standing. You all are sitting there. Okay. Now let's talk
कभी तो
about
कभी ना
11th
कभी
sentence.
आएंगे.
The best
Get
friend.
Attention, attention.
सर
attention
बेस्ट
time.
फ्रेंड्स
11th best
best
friend. Yes.
सर
friend.
11 बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स
Best friends.
In 11th
बेस्ट
the best friend.
फ्रेंड्स
12th. Just 1 minute, student. Just one option. 13th option. But when he walked. Obviously, if you are in the hot sun, so how would you walk? Slow or quickly? Slowly or quickly?
Slowly.
In the hot
Sir,
sun,
slowly.
in hot sun you walk
Sir,
slowly.
quickly.
Quickly.
Sir, quickly.
Yes. Quickly could be the right adjective in the 13th option. Now let's talk about the 14th one. Abhay was, obviously if you
But
was,
when it is.
but when Tom Fist was not yet ready. Abhay was,
Sad.
The sad.
just you
So
tell me
sad.
sad, because if suppose that if you go somewhere for the party and if you see that the feast is not ready, it means that time everything is not in order and you are not likely to get something there. So how would you feel? Obviously you will feel sad. So in the 14 option,
Sad.
right option would be sad. In the 14th, right option would be sad. Now
Sad.
let's talk about the, you can also do the prayer. You can hear the prayer is being conducted at the same time because you all are multi-talented students. Now let's talk about the 15th option. Now, if suppose that if you are if you go into the party with the purpose of eating something, and if you don't get food there, so how do you feel? Hungry, obviously. So right option would be hungry. In the 15 option, the right adjective would be hungry. Hungry hoga right adjective. You can fill it. Abhay ran back on the road to attend. Crowded. The road was crowded, so right adjective could be.
15 वाले में क्या लिखे हैं सर?
It's hungry. HUNGRY hungry. And in the 16th, I have written crowded. Okay. Now let's talk about the 17th one. Many.
Sir, all.
Rode to a party. He saw the guest leaving. If suppose that
Many guests.
just
Sir, all
consider,
guests.
yes, it could be right, no problem, but you just consider
All.
that you are the guest, and if you are after attending the party, you are going from there or leaving from there, so how, in what mood, in what state you are, किस state में रहते हैं, किस अवस्था में रहते हैं? After
Sir,
attending,
जल्दी चलते हैं ना.
after attending,
Very angry.
after attending the party, if you are leaving that place, so how do you feel?
Sir, happy.
Happy. So the right option would be here. Happy. Happy guest. All could be also right. It is not wrong. All could be also right. But we need to describe adjective, need to use the adjective which describe the guest mood or state when they are leaving that party after attending it. Okay. So the right adjective could be which one? This one, happy.
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 Clear? Now students, one thing I also want to tell you that the last exercise which we did yesterday, the exercise, which one was the last
E.
exercise? E.
E
So,
exercise.
there were so many. Please keep one eraser with you and pencil because we need to make some changes in that in so many sentences because rules are not given. Let me tell you that why I am having to tell you. So we already the superlative degree has been used and we need to use the positive degree. So here we are talking about the Red Fort, which is the one of the most. It's not the most famous. You need to understand. We are not saying that the Red Fort is most famous monuments in India or monuments in India. Yes. So we are just saying that it's one of the famous monuments. It means there are so many famous monuments and Red Fort is just one of them. So we have to follow a particular rule to change the degree no, in such sentences. So whenever you see that one of the superlative degree has been used, suppose that if the structure of a sentence is like this, it means one of has been followed by superlative degree. So in such cases, if you are asked to change the degree into the positive one, so at the very beginning, you have to use very few. What you have to use? Very few in the very beginning. And this rule applies all the sentences which, now all the sentences with this structure. जब भी आप देखो कि सेंटेंस का स्ट्रक्चर वन ऑफ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है एंड सुपरलेटिव डिग्री आया है, एंड इफ यू आर आस्क्ड टू चेंज द डिग्री, दैट सुपरलेटिव डिग्री इन द पॉजिटिव वन, then you will start that sentence with the very few. So how will you change it? Very few monuments in India, very few. So right sentence would be this one. You can note it down, student. Very few monuments in India very few monuments in India are as good, as not good because adjective is famous, as famous as Red Fort. This could be the right. So always remember, like in the again in the next sentence, starting with the one of the, Arjit Singh is one of the. Similarly, how will you start the second sentence? Same type of sentence is there. You can see clearly one of the again has been mentioned and the superlative degree has come after it. So again we will write like this: very few, very few. One of the most popular singer of India. So very few singers. Very few singers. Again, what we need to use? Of India are popular is the adjective word. So as popular as Arjit Singh. So the rule is not given. Let me tell you again, students. So whenever you see structure like this, one of the, then superlative degree has come. To change such sentences or to change the degree into such sentences, if sentence is the superlative degree and you have to change into the positive degree, so you have to follow this one. Which words you will use? Very few. And then for positive degree you have to use as, and then in between them you have to use that post adjective. So this way you can change any sentences with these structures. Okay, if there is any doubt, I will you can ask me, but let us discuss first all sentences. Similarly, Rakesh is healthier than his friend in the class. This sentence structure, this sentence is wrong, right? We don't need to make any change in this one. Radhika is the smartest girl in the class. So you just all tell me that what you have the written the answer of this sentence. What you have written the answer of this one? Radhika is the smartest.
Sir,
Radhika is
Radhika is smarter than any other student in the
This is
class.
right.
girl in the
Let me again repeat the answer. Radhika is smarter than any other girl in the class, right? लिया क्यों?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So
यही लिखे हैं.
again, we don't need to make any change in this one. This sentence is right. Now let's talk about sixth one. Abhimanyu is as strong as his brother. So what you have written the answer of this sentence?
Abhimanyu is stronger than his brother.
Yes. Here we have committed a mistake. What is the mistake?
Abhimanyu is stronger than his brother.
You just try to first understand the sentence that in this sentence, Abhimanyu is as strong as his brother. It means both are equally strong. No one is stronger than anyone. मतलब each one. Both are equally strong. दोनों क्या हैं? बराबर ही strong हैं. So to change such sentences which are in the positive one with this format, with adjective word is here. अगर इस तरह का पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस का फॉर्मेट है, टू चेंज सच सेंटेंसेस इनटू द व्हिच वन? कंपैरेटिव वन. यू हैव टू यूज नेगेटिव डिग्री. फॉर एग्जांपल्स, you have to also use, it means you have to use the negative word. So how will you change it? Like this: Abhimanyu is, sentence is that Abhimanyu is as strong as his brother. So Abhimanyu is not comparative, is stronger than his brother. This would be the right answer, students. Abhimanyu is not stronger, because in the sentence we are talking about that both are equally strong. Yesterday what we had written that Abhimanyu is stronger than his brother, if I am not wrong. Is it right? What we had written yesterday?
Yes, sir.
हमने ये लिखा था Abhimanyu is stronger than his brother.
Yes, sir.
So a sentence meaning got changed, because in the positive sentence it has been shown that both are equally strong. So here it is right, Abhimanyu is not stronger than his brother. It means both are equally strong. Clear?
Strong.
Yes, sir.
Now let's talk about Akbar was one of the greatest king.
7.
Again same sort of sentence we have
Very few.
Akbar was a great king.
one of the superlative degree, same format we have got. So what was the rule?
Sir, Akbar was a great king.
No, this one is
Very few.
yes, very few.
Very few.
Very few.
Good. Very few.
Very few.
Very few.
India.
Very few.
Very few kings.
Kings of India.
Yes, very few kings
Kings of
were
India.
Of India.
सर पहले वो लिखा थे.
very few
Were
kings were
as famous.
as famous
As
as famous as
King.
Akbar.
Akbar.
Now you got it. Got the point? समझ में आ रहा है अब?
The great.
Yes, sir.
Very few
Yes.
kings were
Yes,
as famous
sir.
as Akbar. We started
सर
with
पहले
the
आप लिखवाए थे आप.
Sir, famous नहीं होगा. Great होगा.
yes, great. Whatever adjective is there, if the adjective great is there, so you write this
Yes,
one, okay?
sir.
Yes, eighth sentence. Now let's see the eighth sentence.
सर पहले आप लिखवाए थे Akbar was a great king.
So this is what we are making the changes. Initially I told you that we didn't follow the rule because not a single rule is given related to change of degrees. Change of degree से related कोई rule दिया हुआ है बुक में आपके? कहीं पर नहीं दिया हुआ है. So we followed the simple way of changing them. हमने उसका जो simple way है वो follow किया. We were also right. I'm not saying that we are wrong, but if you follow the proper rule, then such way these sentences or degree of change take place. इस तरह से उसका चेंज होता है डिग्री का. क्लियर? If any sentence, certain format is there, I told you na that if any sentence is starting with this format and that sentence into the superlative degree, वन ऑफ से कोई भी सेंटेंस स्टार्ट हो रहा है, सुपरलेटिव डिग्री है, अगर उसको हमें पॉजिटिव डिग्री में चेंज करना है, सो यू हैव टू फॉलो दिस रूल. क्लियर? दिस रूल इज नॉट गिवन इन योर बुक,
Yes, sir.
but since we are studying it, we must be aware of it. हमें मालूम होना चाहिए. ओके?
Yes.
इसलिए मैं बता रहा हूँ, अदरवाइज रूल इज नॉट देयर गिवन इन योर बुक. So now let's see the eighth sentence. Yesterday we also did not do this sentence, so it's very simple one. Some boys are as hard working as Kareem. So here again we are comparing we have to use such a way that Kareem is not more hard working, he is equally hard working like the some boys. So you need to change this one into the comparative one. So we will write like this: Kareem is not. Yes, when you have to whenever in sentence we see that both are equal, the both object or person which is being compared are equal, so you have to use not in the comparative in comparative degree. So Kareem is not more hard working than some boys. So this would be the right. Again, its meaning is that Kareem is not more
Boys.
hardworking than some boys. So some boys are as hardworking as Kareem. So here the meaning is not getting changed. यहाँ पे मतलब उसका sense जो change नहीं हो रहा है. And this is the rule we have to follow. With the change of degree, sense should not be changed. Sense change नहीं होना चाहिए. No other hockey player is as good as Ranjan. I think we did it in the right way. What answer you write
Yes,
for
sir.
this sentence?
Ranjan is
Ranjan is better than any other hockey player.
Whenever no is there in the beginning in the positive degree, sentence containing the positive degree, comparative degree. Yes, in the positive degree. So in comparative degree you have to use any other. Yesterday I had told you. So if you have used any other, then it's okay. Ranjan is better than any other hockey player.
Hockey players.
This is what you have written.
Yes, sir. यही लिखे हैं.
Then you don't need to make any change. This one is right. Now let's talk about the 10th one. I hope it's also right. This church is the biggest in Mumbai. So what answer you have written?
This church is bigger. This church on Mumbai.
What answer you have written?
No church is bigger than
No
this church
church
in
is
Mumbai.
bigger than this church in Mumbai.
No biggest. No church
This
is
church
Bigger than
bigger than.
this
This
church
church
in
on
Mumbai.
Mumbai.
This church is biggest in Mumbai. We need to use comparative. No other church is bigger than. This church is bigger than any other church in Mumbai. This could be the right answer. This is. Have you written this one? Let me. I'm writing here. You see it. Which number of sentence? This one. 10th. This church is bigger than any other church in Mumbai. So if you have not written this sentence, you note it down. This would be the right sentence. This church is bigger than any other church in Mumbai. Rayan is an intelligent student in the class. This was easy one. So what answer you have written for the sentence 11th?
Rayan is the
Rayan
most
is the
intelligent student in the class.
in the class.
This one is right. Now let's talk about the 12th one. Gautam is the weakest boy in the class.
Gautam is the
Gautam is the weak boy in the class.
Gautam is a weak boy. You don't. You just do not need to mention in the class. You just write simply. Gautam is a weak boy. Okay. So now, is there any doubt? Now you tell me, because doubt should be clear. We just a little bit confused, or we made it in a simple way. Reason was that no rules was given, no rule was given related to this topic, degree of comparison. So now we have rectified it. So still, if you have any doubt, now you can ask me. Tomorrow we will start a new chapter. Any problem?